it's Sherry from Watch Learn Eat. Today I'm going to be opening my box from Thrive Market. Thrive Market is a subscription service, so you do have to join. You can join monthly or you can join yearly. I have a yearly subscription. I absolutely love it. I use it at least once a month, sometimes even more than that. So let's see what I've got today. First of all, everything is always very well packed, and what's really cool and different about this company is that whoever packs it personally signs your box. So this one is from Matt. That way, if there's a problem, they can track who packed your box so that it can be better packed next time. I have to say, I really have not had a problem with packing. However, when things did go wrong, like once a delivery person threw the box, boom, and I heard it, and there was something broken. When things like that happen, they're really good about refunding your money and replacing products. So customer service is phenomenal with Thrive Market. So let's see what we've got. Oh, okay, and one thing that I have to tell you is that my cat also loves Thrive Market, and every time I get a box, he likes to go in the box. So he's waiting for me to unbox it so he can use it as a toy. Yes. So they have paper that everything is packed in with, and I've got some long grain brown rice. I've got some quinoa. All right. So Thrive Market has their own brand of food products, as well as brand names. Now this taco pack, let me tell you something, best plant-based taco pack I ever had. So good. Even my husband loves this taco pack, and my husband and kids are meat eaters, and he actually said he preferred it to meat tacos. So definitely recommend this by Rolling Greens. Okay, what else did I get? Don't remember. So, oh, Bonza. This is chickpea pasta, mac and cheese, but it's a vegan cheese, so shells and vegan cheddar. All right, good stuff. Put some stuff over here so it doesn't all fall down. All right, what else did we get? We've got some penne pasta. It's gluten-free, made with green lentils, kale, broccoli, and spinach. So that is totally very healthy for you. It's called Superb Food, so like a super food. You get 2 boxes of those. Some things have a 2-box or 2-package minimum, and those happen to be one of them. Also, I got some jovial pasta. This is brown rice pasta. It's all gluten-free. And they have lots of different shapes. This is our favorite in our house, jovial. Let's see what else. That side is done. I'm just going to flip the box over and get out the other side. Okay, what do we get today? We've got some basmati brown rice, another Thrive Market product. Okay, all right. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So Thrive Market also sells beauty products, vitamins, and even have wine. So today I've got some shampoo that I really like, this brand. It's called Giovanni, and I really like how it does my hair. It's also cruelty-free, so that's important. Love this stuff. Okay. Right. And whenever something is breakable, they pack it extra well. So in this wrapping, as well as the plastic covering. So this is, let's see what I got. Sometimes it's hard to get it out of the plastic covering. I'll get there at some point. All right, I've got some coconut secret. So they make coconut aminos. If you haven't tried coconut aminos, it's a great alternative to soy sauce or tamari. And this is a teriyaki sauce I haven't tried yet, so looking forward to trying that with some tofu. Okay. All right, what's in this one? We've got, okay, got some sauce. Crushed tomatoes. So Jovial also makes a line of sauces. So this is organic crushed tomatoes by Jovial. Okay. Oh, I think I got 2 of those. Yep, there's a second one, so we don't need to open that because we already know what it is. And I believe I got something else by them from my memory coming back to me now. I got diced tomatoes from them as well, so let's get that open. This one's a little harder to open. As you can see, everything is really well packed. Okay. So this one is the diced tomatoes by Jovial. Okay, and I missed somebody. Oh, boreal rice, again by Thrive Market. So my daughter, she's 13. She loves to make risotto with me. So we make our recipe for vegan risotto together all the time, and we just love using the Thrive rice for that. So that's everything I got today. So I'm gonna lay it all out for you guys to see. So this is everything that I got at Thrive Market this time. As I was saying, I love ordering from them. I order all the time. It's one of my favorite delivery services, hands down. Also, I will leave a link for Thrive Market in the description for this video, so you can check it out for yourself. The prices are great compared to compared to stores, depending on what your diet is. So of course, I'm particularly purchasing plant-based items, vegan items, a lot of gluten-free items too. As you can see, they have other diets too that they focus on. You can get paleo items. So it's really, really a great delivery service. I really enjoy it. I really think you should check them out. Thanks for watching.